Umandla Simon Mxinwa, uZanisile Zenith Mjobo, uZola Alfred Swelani, uGodfrey Jabulani Mia, uChristopher Pitt, Themba Mlifi kunye nozabonke John Konile. Eli liqela lamatyendyana nawuhlaselwa ngamapolisa engcinezelo aseFlag Plus ngomhla wesithathu kuMarch 1986. La matyendyana ancatshwa ngama-askari nawayethunyelwe ukuba angene kwiqela labo. Baswelekwa kwisichotho sembumbulu ngelixa kanye babeza kuphuma elokishini. Eli lilitye lesikhumbuzo nelabekwa ngewonga lala matyendyana ngo-2005. Hayi okokuqala lonakalisiwe kwakhona.
I think it's neglected by the heritage, by the community, because there are some of the people who knows what happened over there, and also the government doesn't take it because it's been a long time talking to those who were at the Department of Arts and Culture to fix that.
I feel very bad that the young people, they must learn, that is their history, that they must teach them, the children at school.
Abahlali balengingqi abadala nabalaziyo ibali lokubulawa kweliqela bathi ibophula inhliziyo into yokubona ilitye likule meko imbi.
After 1994, they don't realize how important this is because our history, I don't know if how I can put it. You see, I think there must be a way of teaching our young people the history or the value of these things. And the other thing is that, you see, this area, most of the people who are staying in this area are the people who are coming from Eastern Cape, who came here to work. So their children, they don't even know what is going on. I think for them, they see this as a playground or whatever. And it's up to all the older people to talk to the youngsters. And I think this thing must be more secure than this.
The province, the government of the province of the Western Cape has done that to say this is a heritage site as we're standing here. Now, meaning that it has been declared, but secondly, it goes back to the city of Cape Town. That is local government, particularly sub-council level. It's their responsibility to make sure that this monument site is being upgraded, it's being maintained, and it's being kept in a situation where people will celebrate and commemorate for the years to come.
Isixeko saseKapa sithi sityale imali yokulungisa nokugcina ilitye likwisimo esisiso kwaye kongezwe imali engange-200,000 neza kubekelwa bucala ukugcina ilitye lisemgangathweni.
The city has spent 70,000 and 100,000 rand respectively in order to ensure the necessary upkeep of the facility. Unfortunately, there is ongoing theft and vandalism and damage being done to this particular monument, which is adjacent to a community residential unit, but also located in a very busy road network within the Gugulethu community.
Iintsapho zesixhenxe saseGugulethu zithi eli litye lesikhumbuzo lifanele ukuba libiyelwe ukuze likhuseleke kubonakalisi.